Hello you guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't already know me, my name is Brittany. If you're new here, feel free to leave a like, drop a comment, and consider subscribing because it'd be really cool and it'd help me out quite a lot. Don't be afraid to hit that little notification bell, get notified every single time that I post because it is very rarely, if ever, honestly. So today's video will be a cooking tutorial or a little recipe, if you will. I'm going to be doing slow cooked Southwest chicken. So I'm just loading up some frozen skinless, boneless chicken breasts in the bottom. Make sure they're not stacked on top of each other. And I'm adding a little bit of chicken broth, just enough to go like halfway up the chicken. I'm dumping a whole can of these tomatoes and then the green chilies. And then I'm going to add in some of this chunky salsa. That's the kind I use. And then I'm also going to add in some kernel corn to it. And then I'm just going to stir it all up real well. I'm also going to add 2 cans of those black beans. Make sure you rinse them and strain them real well. Measuring with some black pepper with my heart. Measuring with some parsley with my heart. And then you pretty much just stir it up real well and slow cook it. Add some onion, serve it over rice, squeeze a little bit of fresh lime, and there you go. Quick and easy meal.